welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm Marissa. I'm a teen service dog handler, and I have autism, FND, and Tourette's. In today's video, I'm bringing you to Disney Springs with me and my service dog. My service dog's name is Disney, so it's quite funny. This is Disney's second time at Disney Springs. We went early in the morning so it wasn't too busy. We walked around a bit, and then once stores opened, we did some pin trading. After that, we walked around the shops a little bit. All the employees were amazing and very nice. The public, on the other hand, she nearly got stepped on and trampled multiple times. We had a lovely conversation with the Via Bradley worker. I didn't end up buying anything, but just had fun walking around. Overall, it was a good experience. These are the pins I ended up with from trading. It was a big day for a little pupper. She slept pretty much the whole way home. She did really well. I'm really proud of how she did. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.